Excited?
Here's your present.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Sit up so we can see you.
Got a box.
You got a raffle.
Got a box.
What does it say on it?
Happy birthday.
What's it say? Read it.
Happy birthday, Keegan.
Yeah, what's inside?
Oh, it's printed.
Open it. You got a box. What's inside the box?
Another box, maybe?
Another box inside the box?
Pull it up, buddy.
Pull it open.
No, you gotta
Pull that part, yep. Pull it.
pull it open.
What is that?
Oh,
What is it? Open it. You got socks?
Oh yeah. Show us what you got.
What is that?
a secret.
What's it say on it?
Ohio.
What else is on there?
An astronaut.
And a flag. What's on the back? An airplane.
Are you excited?
Yeah, try it on.
It's a spin.
Wear it to your tournament tonight.
Oh yeah, let's see if it fits.
I'll wear it. If it doesn't fit, I'm sending it back.
You are.
What is that thing back there? Legos?
Do you like it?
If it fits, let me see.
Well, don't stretch it out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah, he
Looking
looks
sharp.
good.
Oh boy.
Look at you.
It fits.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, you got something else in that bag.
Oh, something else is in there.
What's in there?
The other box. The other box.
Oh, that fits you good.
Oh, what's that?
Look at that.
Knee pads. In this box?
No, there's two of them in there, buddy.
There's two knee pads.
For two knees.
That's pretty cool. There's two knee pads. Look at your other one.
Knee pads.
Is there another one?
Oh,
Put
Put them on. Just slide them over your knees.
Yep.
Oh, no, the wrong way, I think.
Yep.
No, that's okay. Keep
That's
going.
right. Mm-hmm.
Why don't you take off your socks and wrestle Caleb?
Look at you.
Wow. Pull those knee pads up.
You can't defeat the mind of Hawks.
Yep. Oh, now you
Look
can,
at
now you can
you.
slide her on the mat.
Look
yeah.
at you.
You look good.
Let me see you in your stance. Can I see you in your stance? Oh, yeah. Okay,
Don't
okay.
get him, Caleb.
Hey!
Don't hurt him. It's his birthday. Barrel roll, Caleb.
Barrel roll Caleb. Caleb be a good partner.
That's a fireman's. That's okay though.
That's alright.
Oh, come on, Caleb, be a good partner.
I'm not doing
There you go. Pin him. Alright.
Put your hooks in. Now get out, Caleb. You can't.